Kids!
Oppa Gangnam Style.
I have a lot of prize for our kids. Kuya! Kaya kami. Okay, kids. Let's hold our hands together. Hawak kamay po, kids. And let's form one big circle. Tapos bilog tayo, malaking bilog. One big circle. Bilog, bilog. Kuya, doon po. Ayan. Okay, summer na summer mga outfit natin ha. Okay? Ayan. So kids, bitaw-bitaw na kids. Bitaw-bitaw na. Everybody can dance ba? Kids, everybody can dance. Sample nga kids. Dance. That's it. Bibigyan ni Kuya Marlon ang magaling mag-dance. Dance, baby. How about you boys? Sample nga Carvin. Ito yung girls na nag-dance yung chorus. Ito ha, pag saan kong dance ha, mag-dance kayo. Ibigyan ni Kuya Marlon ang magaling mag-dance. And be ready kids. And dance.
Gangnam Style.
Pinatay niyo lang yung chorus eh. Okay. Aba. Tingnan niyo, ganyan ni smile. Okay. Ayan. So don't break the circle, kids. Circle pa rin tayo. One big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then Miss Rita. Yan. Bigyan kayo ni Miss Rita ng straw. Don't put it in your mouth, ha? Kasi it's dirty. Yan. Okay. Hold your straw.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Okay, smile naman dyan, kids. Gutom na ba kayo, kids? Smile naman, smile. Okay. Next, wala akong... Okay. Okay, listen. Our second game is called Pass the Cup. Okay, so hold the straw at the bottom, like Miss Rita. Okay, ate. Gaya mo si Miss Rita. Dali, gaya mo. Ganyan. Okay. Pag nag-start yung music, okay, si Carvin, ayan, ipapasa mo yung cup to your left, using your straw. And then yung nasa left, get the cup using your straw din. Okay, ayan. Okay, sure mo dali. Pasa mo kay kuya. Ayan. And then, kailangan nakikita kayo ni Kuya Marlon at ni Ate Rita na nagda-dance. Okay? Kasi bibigyan namin ng magaling mag-dance kahit ma-out siya ha. Okay, pag nag-stop yung music, kung kayo ni-stop yung cup, kids, automatic out. Okay, pag nalaglag yung cup, pulot agad, and then pass the cup. Okay? So, are you ready, kids? Kids, are you ready? Kids, are you ready? Hep, hep? Hep, hep? Okay, pass the cup and dance, kids! Dance! Bibigyan ni Kuya Marlon na ni Ate Rita ang magaling mag-dance. Dali nyo, kids! Dance! Dance, kids! Okay, sino po na-out? Si Ate. Okay, bibigyan ka na ng prize ni Miss Rita. Okay, thank you for joining. Then kids, pass the cup and dance! Uy, ang nagda-dance! Dance tayo, kids! Wait po yun, Ate, thank you for joining. Ayan, you may na take your seat. So, teacher. Okay, then kids, pass the cup and dance! lang. Pass the cup and dance it! Wala kang dance pa rin. Si ate. Ate, thank you for joining. Bibigyan ka ni Miss Tita ng prize. And kids, ayan. Pass the cup! May tatlong boys na iba na up. Kapag pinakakain saan yung mga girls ha. Thank you for joining. Okay, bibigyan ka ni Miss Tita ng prize. Okay, abaw na out yung ano ha, mga girls ha. Nako. Okay, kids, pass the cup and dance. That's it. Ito na dancing.
보이지만 볼 때 보는 여자 이때
Yeah. Thank you for joining. And then congratulations, my consolation prize, of course. Okay, next.
이때 다시 돌아보던 머리통은 바다가 같지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자
That's it. Ay, si Kuya. Ayun, si Kuya. Thank you for joining. May consolation prize ka naman. Thank you. Okay, kids. Tatlo ba? Yung birthday celebrant. Hindi dito pa, okay? So, kids, magdadance kayo, ha? Good luck and pass the cup! Dali, pass the cup! Pass the cup! Dali, pass the cup! Okay, baka nawanan yung cup. Pag nagaganda. Okay, don't worry, bigyan kita ng consolation prize naman. Thank you. Dalawa na lang. Magda-dance kayo ha. Magda-dance. Carvin, magda-dance ha. Okay. Basta mag-dance. Dali, dance. Dance tayo. Ate. Carvin. Okay, sige. And dance, kids. Okay, so thank you for joining. Ayan, dahil kayo natin ang pero kayo may prize. Ayan. Then you may now take your seat and congratulations. So, Mommy, I need your help. Okay, then si Daddy din po. Tama, di po ba si Mommy and Daddy? Mommy lang. Okay, Mommy, dito po. Okay, so Carvin, halika dito po. Carvin. Okay, Mommy, sabi po ni Kuya Marlon, everybody can join this game. So, I need 10 adults. Wala tayo dyan. Yung tatawagin po ni Mommy, namin ni Mommy, pupunta po dito sa front. Okay? So, ano po mga name? James? Janet?
Sila Joker.
Po? Agnes? Ate Tess? Okay. Ate Rose? Po? Tita Beth? Hindi nakalima na po. Yung 5 po na tinawag namin, punta po dito sa front. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Asan po yung dalawa? Ayan, halika na po, halika na po. Hi. Yung mga bagets na Cecil, sino ba po? Mamu, Lola, May, Joanna, and si Jam. Okay, so kompleto na po yung 5.